Booking international flights. From your homepage, click Flights. Input the departure city and the arrival city. Input the departure date and the return date. Provide the number of passengers. For passengers 12 years old and above are considered adults. For passengers 2 to 12 years old are considered children, and passengers less than 2 years old are considered infants. Click Show More options should the passenger has a preferred flight or preferred class of service. Otherwise, click Search Flights. The next page will provide the travel agent the carriers that caters flight from Manila going to Guam on the preferred date. The flights are arranged from the most cheap or the cheapest down to the most expensive. On the left side, you will see the filter dashboard. It will allow you to filter the result on the right side. For instance, should a passenger has a preferred flight number, simply key in the flight number on the left side, or if the passenger has a preferred price range, or if the passenger has a preferred number of stops, or the passenger has a preferred number of departure time, or airlines, or inclusions like baggage, meals, and ticket refundability. Also at the top are the carriers that caters flight from Manila going to Guam. We have Philippine Airlines, United Airlines, Asiana, Jeju Air, Korean Air, and so forth. Should the passenger would like to know the baggage inclusion, simply click Baggage Information. In this flight, the baggage includes 7 kilos carry-on and 2 pieces baggage, 23 kilos each. Click Flight Details if the passenger would like to know details about the flight. The flight will depart in Terminal 2 in Manila and will arrive in Guam at 4:45 in the morning. The aircraft is an Airbus A321. The duration of travel is 3 hours and 50 minutes. If the passenger would like to know the restrictions of the ticket, simply click Fare Rules and look for penalties. The penalties includes no-show fees, cancellation fees, and refund fees. Click Fare Details for the breakdown of the fare. This fare includes the Philippine travel tax of 1,620 pesos. If the passenger would like to receive the quotation through email, simply click Add to Email List. And then click Email Fares there at the top and provide the email address of the passenger. If the passenger would like to receive the quotation through text, simply click SMS Fare and provide the mobile number. If the passenger would like to check other premium class of service other than economy, just simply click Other Classes. If the passenger would like to continue and book this flight, just simply click Book. The next page will ask you for the customer's details, so make sure to be ready with the passport too. To make it fast, if it is a repeat customer, just simply add code travelers list and find the name of your repeat customer. The date of birth, the name, as well as the passport details are pre-populated. Click Show More options if the passenger has a frequent flyer program with the airline. In this case, Mabuhay Miles. Leave it blank if there's no Mabuhay Miles account number available. You have to make sure that you upload a copy of the passport. And then you have to provide the mobile number of your passenger. You have to provide as well the email address. VIA usually recommends email address of the travel agent instead that of the passenger. Offer a travel insurance to your customer. Please note that you will earn 30% commission of the insurance you sold. Click Terms and Conditions. And should the passenger would like to know whether or not they need a visa going to their final destination, just simply click the Terms and Conditions at the bottom. A pop-up menu will provide you details about the passport requirement and visa requirement. For passengers going to Guam, and the passenger, for instance, is a Filipino passport holder, a visa is required, unless their flight is originating in the US. Click Make Payment. The next page will allow you to double check, verify, and make sure everything is correct. If everything looks okay, click Proceed to Payment. Should there be revisions, click Edit Details. Now please be advised that the amount of the insurance is now added to the final or to the total price. On the left side, it will also allow you to verify and double check the visa information requirement for your passenger. The last step is to confirm the reservation. You can either use deposit or the remaining balance in your account or credit card. Now please be advised that Visa or MasterCard, Visa, and JCB are the only credit cards accepted, and those credit cards must be issued in the Philippines. Once you are done, just simply click Pay and print the ticket of your customer.